Hey, fifth graders. So I want to give you a quick rundown. Once you turn in the Siobhan's bathroom tiles assignment, this is what you'll get to kind of explain it to you. So um, she was remodeling her bathroom, right? She plans to cover the bathroom floor with tiles that are each 1 square foot. And her bathroom is 5.5 feet wide and 8.5 feet long. Or 8.25 feet long, sorry. How many tiles will she need to cover the floor? Give an exact answer that includes the fractions of a tile she will need. Each square unit has been broken into sixteenths to allow precise measurement. So this is a square tile. Each of these is a square tile that's been broken into sixteenths. Use the figure below to illustrate your answer. So I am going to show you, this is what it would look like, right? So we have 5.5 feet by 8.25 feet. So if we break the area up into whole tiles and parts of tiles needed, it would look like this. Okay, here's part 2. This area model shows us that Siobhan would need 45 and 6/16 or 45 and 3/8 tiles to be exact to cover her bathroom floor. So this is how you can break it up, because this is a whole tile, 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 but this is not a whole tile. So we take this and make one tile, this and this to make another tile, this and this to make another one. And then on the bottom, since it's only a quarter, we need 1, 2, 3, 4 to make one tile, and then this is your remaining tiles right here. So this is, we can also see that as with whole numbers, when we multiply the side lengths of the rectangle, we can find the area. So 8.25 by 5.5 equals 33/4 times 11/2. So they turned it into a improper fraction here. So that equals 363/8, which equals 45 and 3/8. The fact that this always works not just for whole numbers, but also for rational numbers is very deep, and this fact warrants its own investigation. You could have used just the math equation, or you could have used the picture. But this is the solution. So as soon as you turn in your assignment, this is what I will send you back. Great job.